Hold on to your hats, car enthusiasts, because I'm about to drop a bombshell. We're diving deep into the brand new 2025 GWM Haval H6 Ultra Hybrid. Trust me, this isn't your average SUV. Get ready to have your expectations shattered. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a first look at the 2025 GWM Haval H6 Ultra Hybrid. This SUV is turning heads, and for good reason. It's got a sleek new design, a powerful hybrid engine that promises both performance and fuel efficiency, and a whole host of tech features that make it a serious contender in the crowded SUV market. We're talking about a car that's not just about getting you from A to B, but about doing it in style and comfort. We'll delve into the exterior styling, the interior comforts, and of course, the hybrid powertrain that's at the heart of this vehicle. And don't worry, we'll also be checking out all the bells and whistles that make this car stand out from the competition. From the advanced driver assistance systems to the infotainment options, I know you're all eager to see what this SUV is capable of. So let's jump right in and explore every inch of the 2025 Haval H6 Ultra Hybrid. Is this the SUV that will finally make you ditch your gas guzzler? Let's find out together. And let's talk about what really sets this car apart, the hybrid engine. The 2025 Haval H6 Ultra Hybrid boasts a cutting-edge powertrain that combines a traditional combustion engine with an electric motor. This setup not only provides impressive fuel economy, but also delivers instant torque for a thrilling driving experience. Imagine effortlessly gliding through city streets in electric mode, then unleashing the full power of the hybrid system. On the open road, it's the best of both worlds. But it's not just about raw power. It's about efficiency too. The Haval H6 is designed to maximize fuel economy, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money at the pump. And with its regenerative braking system, the car captures energy during deceleration, further enhancing its efficiency. It's a win-win situation for both the environment and your wallet. I think this is the key to the success of GWM because fuel is now expensive around the world. So people now looking for a cheaper way to get around. But here's the real question. Is the 2025 Haval H6 Ultra Hybrid worth the hype? After spending some quality time with this SUV, I can confidently say that it lives up to the buzz. It's a stylish, comfortable, and technologically advanced vehicle that offers a compelling blend of performance and efficiency. The hybrid powertrain is smooth and responsive. The interior is spacious and well-appointed, and the array of tech features is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. Of course, no car is perfect, and there are a few minor drawbacks to consider, such as the slightly smaller cargo space compared to some competitors. However, overall, the 2025 Haval H6 Ultra Hybrid is a remarkable vehicle that deserves your attention. If you're in the market for a new SUV, be sure to add this one to your test drive list. I really think this will be a very common vehicle in the future. So what do you think of the 2025 GWM Haval H6 Ultra Hybrid? Let me know in the comments below. What's your dream car? Subscribe to the channel, and maybe one day that dream car will be sitting in your driveway. Don't forget to smash that like button. Share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome car reviews. Thanks for watching.